Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, I got something special today. I don't know if you guys checked out my previous video about installing my stereo. I have an Android touchscreen stereo, and I will be installing it in my Chevy S10. I won't, but I will be taking the truck to a shop that's gonna install it for me. So y'all stay tuned for that. And I also have a couple more things that's gonna be coming up as well. So y'all stay tuned for those videos. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is, but I'm trying to get all the videos up for y'all by this weekend, because I am gonna be gone for a little while, and I'm trying to give you guys something that you can look at while I'm gone. But I'm not gonna be uploading every day like how it was. I wish I would like to upload every day, but unfortunately guys, I gotta do what I gotta do. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get out, and I'm gonna take you guys with me through the process, and let's get this radio installed. Here it is right here, guys. It's a touch screen. It's a mirror link, so anything that you do on your phone, you can display it on your screen. So I thought that was pretty neat. And then plus, my old radio is starting to go out, and it still works and everything, but sometimes the screen, it tends to go out, and then it takes a while to come up, and so I need to take care of that before I do what I have to do for next week. So you guys just stick around, stay tuned, and also guys, on the Crossfire, I'm thinking about a new color. So if you guys can comment down below, let me know what color you think I should do, or just let me know, or just guess the color that I'm thinking of, and just drop a comment down below and let me know. I am thinking about changing the color, because the plastic dip on certain spots is starting to peel up. So I mean, it lasted for a long time, and I really like the color that's on there. I was always a fan of black or matte black. So I was thinking about a wild color, but I'm not gonna do that. But yeah guys, let's just stay tuned and stick around for the video, and let's go to the shop.
I think I had enough. All this money got me acting up. Niggas be mad as fuck, cause they know I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm over here at the shop. The guys are putting in my radio right now. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute once they get done, and so that way you guys can check out the finished product, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so I done made it home with the new stereo. Look how big it is, guys. It's pretty big. I'm still trying to figure out the mirror link, so just bear with me. I'm gonna do another video on how everything looks, and then we can go from there. But it's all together, guys. It's installed. The only thing I don't like about this radio, it's not as loud as my other one. So I don't know, guys. I might leave it in, for a little bit, or I might not. I don't like wasting my money, so
all this money
I
got
might
me
be
acting up.
leaving it in for a
Niggas
little
be
bit,
mad as
and
fuck, cause they know I
just
gotta
go from
bag
there.
it up.
But
Niggas be mad as fuck.
yeah.
I I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck. I gotta bag it up. If I gotta add hard in the cloud, what I'm kissing. Shorty pull up, slay, Jason. Pull up and cool, swear, racing. I keep a check, blue facing. Low when they gotta hate on me. I'm on my grind, no Tony.
Yeah, guys.
Bitches gon' hate, they phony. Money stay on my side, never lonely.
Peace.
Feeling real pretty, all in my city. I got these bad bitches with me. I feel like Bruno, but call me Uno, cause I got one of them with me. And I'm a beast, pity.